Welcome to Serene Shelter, where we help you design your dream home with ease and style. Today, we're diving into a trendy topic, the open concept layout. This popular design choice can give your home a spacious and modern feel, but it's not without its pitfalls. In fact, there are 8 common mistakes that many homeowners make when designing an open concept layout. These include placing all furniture against the walls, using inconsistent flooring, lacking defined zones within the space, ignoring the flow of foot traffic, being overly matchy with furniture choices, neglecting proper lighting, and having sparse seating arrangements. Each of these mistakes can detract from the beauty and functionality of your open concept layout. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through these common errors and show you how to avoid them, creating a space that is both stylish and practical. So are you ready to learn how to avoid these common design pitfalls? Stay tuned. So you've decided to embrace the open concept layout in your home. But beware, there are common mistakes that many homeowners make. The first pitfall many of us stumble into is placing all our furniture against the walls. It might seem like a good way to maximize space, but in reality, it can make your living area feel more like a dance hall than a cozy home. Instead, try floating your furniture. Position your pieces in a way that encourages conversation and creates a flow that's intuitive and inviting. The second mistake is using inconsistent flooring. It's easy to assume that different zones should have different floors, but this can disrupt the unity of your open concept layout. Instead, opt for a consistent flooring throughout the space to create a seamless, cohesive look. Next on our list is lacking defined zones. Even in an open concept space, it's essential to create distinct areas for different activities. How do you do this without walls? Use rugs, furniture arrangement, or even different lighting to subtly divide your space into functional zones. Number 4 is ignoring foot traffic flow. It's important to remember that your space needs to be functional as well as beautiful. Consider how people will move through the space and arrange your furniture accordingly to avoid creating obstacles. Fifth is being overly matchy with furniture. While it's important to have a cohesive design, having everything in matching sets can make your space feel flat and uninteresting. Don't be afraid to mix styles, textures, and colors. The sixth mistake is neglecting proper lighting. Lighting is a key element in creating ambiance and functionality in your space. Mix ambient, task, and accent lighting to add depth and make your space feel warm and inviting. Sparse seating arrangements is the 7th common mistake. An open concept layout doesn't mean you need to skimp on seating. Ensure you have enough seats for everyone, and more importantly, that they're arranged in a way that encourages interaction. Lastly, we come to the mistake of not incorporating varied heights. A flat landscape can be dull. Introduce elements of different heights like tall lamps or plants, or a low coffee table to create visual interest and draw the eye around the room. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can embrace the open concept layout while still maintaining a sense of coziness and functionality in your home. So, there you have it, the 8 common mistakes to avoid when designing an open concept layout. We've covered everything from the pitfalls of placing all furniture against walls to the importance of avoiding inconsistent flooring. We've also touched on the need for defining zones within your space, taking into account foot traffic flow, and avoiding that overly matchy furniture look. Remember, it's all about creating a balance between openness and intimacy. Delineate functional areas to give each section of your home its unique identity. And let's not forget about incorporating varied heights and lighting to lend depth and drama to your space. But hey, even if you've made some of these mistakes, it's never too late to course correct and create that dream open concept layout you've always wanted. Now we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on open concept layouts? Have you made any of these mistakes? Remember to share, comment, like, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more home design tips. Until next time, happy designing!